Hello guys, what's up? This is our very first lesson on HTML, and today we are going to know about what is HTML or basic concepts of the HTML. So, are you wondering about how to create a web page using just simple codes of HTML? Are you wondering about designing a simple web page is easy? Well, then let's get started. HTML is known as Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of the web page using markup language. So, what is the structure of a web page? It is nothing but the look and the feel of a web page. So all those things you have been seeing on a web page is designed just using HTML. Now, a thought must be coming to your mind that what is our markup language? Let me tell you, markup language is a language which specifies the code for formatting both the layout and style within a text file. And the code used to specify the formatting are called as text. Now, having a closer look on the HTML, we divide it into two parts. One is HT and the other one is ML. HT stands for hypertext and ML stands for markup language. Together we understand this as machine readable code that structures a web page in a specific format. Now you must be confused and thought of how a markup language is different from a programming language. Let me tell you, a markup language is used to represent a structured data using an interpreter, whereas the programming language are a set of instructions or codes that are compiled. Still confused, right? Okay, to understand this, you must understand the difference between an interpreter and a compiler. The difference between an interpreter and a compiler is that interpreter translates one program statement at a time, whereas the compiler scans the entire program at a time and converts it into a machine code. So, the overall execution time needed for the interpreter is slow as compared to the compiler. Moreover, no intermediate object is generated for the interpreter, so it is memory efficient, whereas compiler generates intermediate object code which further requires linking, and hence it requires more memory. Now that you have understood the difference between the interpreter and the compiler, a question again must be coming to your mind that as in programming languages we have our unique compilers, then who acts as the interpreter for the markup languages? Well, the web page or the web browser acts as an interpreter here. It checks the command or the HTML codes line by line and executes the error if any, or else displays the output of your HTML code. So now that you understand the difference between an interpreter and compiler, then give a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. For any queries or suggestions, just leave a comment below and I will be replying you ASAP. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.